How to add song on edits in Instagram app. Want to add a catchy tune to your post? Here's how to add a song in edits in Instagram app. First, tap on the music icon when you are editing your post. This will take you to a music library. From here, you can search for a song by title, artist, or genre, or you can browse through the trending music list. Once you find the song you like, tap on it and it will be added to your post. You can trim the song to fit the length of your video or adjust the volume so it does not overpower the rest of the content. Need help finding a perfect song for your post? Let me know in the comments and I suggest you some. Now you are all set to add some music to your post. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.